Hello everybody. This presentation addresses collaborative learning as an active working methodology in the classroom. Thus, active learning based on doing, imagining and observing is shown to be an effective method to meet the didactic objectives set and allows changing traditional teaching and innovating in the classroom. This type of methodology helps to achieve meaningful and long-lasting learning results for the student. The topics covered in the presentation are the definition, the objectives, the benefits, the characteristics, ways of implementation, as well as some digital tools to carry it out. According to Wilson, collaborative learning is a constructivist postulate that conceives of education as a process of socio-construction that allows one to learn about different perspectives on a given problem, to develop tolerance for diversity and expertise in reworking a joint alternative. According to Gross, in this methodological strategy, learners develop their own learning strategies, set their own objectives and goals, while taking responsibility for what and how they learn. At the same time, the teacher's role is to support the learner's decisions. The objectives when working with these active methodologies are the following. First of all, generating self-confidence and self-esteem, allowing students to relax and work in a harmonized environment where they find enough time to think, rehearse, and generate feedback among themselves. Secondly, developing independence. These learning dynamics reduce the students' dependence on the teachers since, when faced with any problem or doubt to be solved, classmates offer the kind of assistance needed. Thirdly, encourage individual responsibility. As part of a team or work group, each member is considered individually responsible for contributing in the same direction towards achieving the objectives of the group. Last but not least, encourage critical thinking, promoting reflection and development of metacognitive skills. Benefits can also be achieved, such as promoting relationships between students, increasing motivation and self-esteem, developing interpersonal skills and conflict resolution strategies, promoting respect, tolerance, flexibility, and openness towards others, teaching to share responsibilities, to organize and divide tasks and roles to achieve a better result, facilitating correction by allowing for confrontation of individual work with what other group members do, providing a space to overcome difficulties that someone may have in an atmosphere of companionship and trust. According to Diaz-Barriga, collaborative learning is characterized by the equality that each individual must have in the learning process. Mutuality is understood as the connection, depth, and bidirectionality that the experience reaches, this being a variable depending on the existing level of competitiveness, the distribution of responsibilities, joint planning, and the exchange of roles. There are at least three ways of implementing collaborative learning: peer interaction, peer mentoring, and collaborative group. In order to successfully apply this methodology, the following steps are recommended. First of all, establish good group objectives and goals. Second, organize medium-sized study groups of 4 or 5 people is ideal. Third, make the rules clear so that there is quality in the interactions. With respect for all, it is necessary to set rules to avoid discussions or situations that may affect the quality of learning, even when collaborative learning is carried out virtually. Moreover, promote open communication and deal with emotional problems that arise immediately and any interpersonal problems before moving on. Building trust is essential. In addition, generate discussion and contrast ideas through resources such as readings, virtual classes, face-to-face classes, films, or videos. Also create self-assessment tools that help to evaluate and learn to receive positive and negative evaluations under different models and situations. Lastly, use ICT technologies in education. Digital technologies to foster collaborative work are the following. First of all, virtual platforms. Some platforms, such as Juana Manso or Moodle, allow the creation of group work rooms that can be maintained throughout different course activities and assignments. Moreover, forums. This is a resource that is usually integrated within virtual classroom platforms and can also be created by separate groups. It allows the exchange of knowledge, opinions, and points of view around a specific topic, asynchronously and through written participation. Moreover, shared documents. Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive are cloud storage services that enable collaborative knowledge management and construction. They allow creating, editing, saving, and/or sharing Word documents, spreadsheets, presentation, among others, and with others. Likewise, with the shared documents, there are tools such as Jamboard or Padlet that work as interactive whiteboards, perfect for online collaboration. Thank you very much for your attention.